Today's video is about how to make money with a WordPress automatic news blog. Whether you're starting a new blog or looking to monetize an existing one, this video will provide you with some tips and strategies to help you earn a steady income. Thanks to the news out there on a whole range of topics. To help people sift through the mess of news getting published every day, you can create a WordPress news aggregator website to collect and sort news from different sources into one easy-to-find location, your own content aggregator. Let's talk about what exactly an automatic news blog is. But the first thing you need to know is, what is WordPress? It's an open-source content management system that allows users to create and manage on a template system, which makes it easy for users to design and customize their websites without needing to know how to code. WordPress is important because it's one of the most popular and widely used content management system platforms in the world. It powers around 40% of all websites on the internet, making it a versatile and powerful tool for creating a wide range of websites, from small personal blogs to large e-commerce sites. WordPress makes it easy for you to manage your content. Create drafts, schedule publication, and look at your post revisions. Make your content public or private and secure posts and pages with a password. Not everyone requires the same access to your website. Automatic news blog. A WordPress automatic news to make use of automated content creation, which can save you time and effort in creating content and to keep your blog constantly updated with fresh content. An automatic news blog can help increase traffic and engagement, which can lead to increased revenue. It can also increase credibility and authority by providing readers a wide range of up-to-date news and information. An automatic news blog can be monetized easily and is easy to manage. Steps to create an automatic WordPress news blog. First, set up a WordPress account. Information, including your email and a password. Choose a plan that best fits your needs, or start with a free plan to try it out. Next, install the Automatic News Post Generator plugin. Then, configure the plugin settings. Configure the settings to determine how often new posts will be generated, what type of content will be included. Next, choose a theme. Browse the available themes and choose one that's suitable for news and information-based websites. Set the theme for your blog, and then customize your blog's appearance. Add a header image, custom background, and other design elements to make your blog look unique. In this video, we'll cover various ways to make money with a WordPress automatic news blog. Promote your blog by advertising. One of the most common ways to make money with a blog is through advertising. You can display ads on your blog using ad networks such as Google AdSense, or sell ad space directly to businesses. To set up advertising on your blog, you'll need to place the ad code on your website. Once your website has enough traffic, you'll start earning money every time someone clicks on one of the ads. Affiliate marketing. Another way to make money with your blog is through affiliate marketing. This involves including affiliate links in your blog when readers make a purchase through those links. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need to find affiliate programs that are relevant to your blog's niche and sign up to become an affiliate. Once you have your affiliate links, you can start promoting the products or services in your blog posts. Sponsored content. It's another way to earn money with your blog. Brands to create content that promotes their products or services on your blog. Companies are always looking for ways to promote their products or services, and a sponsored post on a popular news blog is a great way for them to do that. You can charge companies to publish articles promoting their products or services on your website. This is a great way to earn money and provide value to your audience. To get started with sponsored content, you'll need to reach out to brands and pitch them on the idea of working together. Subscription-based model. Another way to monetize your blog is by creating exclusive content that's only available. This can include premium blog posts, videos, or other types of content that your readers can access by paying a subscription fee. To set up a subscription-based model, you'll need to install a membership plugin on your website and set up a payment system. This could be an exclusive private community or a series of premium articles or videos. Selling a product or service. Finally, you can also make money by selling products or services related to the topic of your blog. This can include ebooks, courses, or consulting services. To get started with this type of monetization, you'll need to create a product or service that's relevant to your blog's niche on your website. Email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful tool for monetizing your news blog. By building a list of subscribers, you can drive sales, promote affiliate products, and increase the value of your website. One of the benefits of email marketing is that it allows you to reach a more targeted audience. Email marketing gives you more control over what kinds of information you're sending out and when it'll be sent. You can stay in touch with both current and potential readers. Social media. Finally, utilizing social media is a great way to drive traffic and monetize your followers. By promoting your media, you can reach a wider audience and increase the potential for earning money through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. In conclusion, creating a WordPress automatic news blog can be a great way to earn money while providing value to your audience. With strategies, you can turn your automatic news blog into a profitable venture. We hope you found these tips and strategies helpful. Remember, success with a blog takes time, so be consistent and persistent in your efforts, and you will see results. Good luck! Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.